Level 5 is an important innovation platform because it provides a safe space to explore and try new creative ventures for both students and teachers. We focus on design and fabrication, innovative school leadership, and contemporary teaching and learning through three main interactions. We design innovative professional learning events such as VR experiences, change leadership, urban art, or classroom design. And we source industry leaders in their respective fields to facilitate those events. We act as an incubator to our host school by inviting teachers and students into the space and offering bespoke professional learning. And we create a stronger community by inviting local schools to explore new ways of learning. These are the sparks that create systemic change within schools around the world.